Pinahihirapan.
Ayan na, nagawa na ni Valdavid. Valdavid, hinamon, biniling kay Elmer Lago, and Barangay Ginebra is back in this game. Many fast breaks in this game. Lusot si Telan, kinaliwa. Oh, what a move!
What a move.
Excellent move from the young man. Narito ngayon si Meneses. Laban kay Encarnacion. Pasa sa loob, limpot. Ang
Gandang
ganda.
pasa na naman.
You know, that's the danger when you have a Meneses who slashes in. He can just break up the defense anytime. Na si Elmer Lago. Mendoza using his buff. Wala. Gets his own miss. He's inside. Goes up again. Yan. Jay Mendoza with 4 points. They go back to the aerial Voyager. Now makes his move. He goes inside. And
Siya naman.
Woo!
Siya naman, sabi niya. Wala yun. Wala namang buto ron eh.
Wala naman. Oh.
Makikiliti lang siya ng konti.
Mendoza. Ay, sus! Sino ba yan? Samboy Lim ba yun? Labuhay.
Mukhang yung feature natin, napanood nito eh.
And it's time for our Budweiser buddies. Ang tandem ng Paras at saka ng Telan already with 7 points. Limpot and Meneses naman may kabuang 12 puntos, pero pagdating sa rebounding, abante yung Shell dito.
Correct. As the difference in the rebounding, no?
That's
Sampo.
right. Of course, may maraming intangibles dyan that Paras has brought into the table, especially yung kanyang
Mga assist niya, no?
assist
Coming
niya,
from the double.
yung threat pa niya as a low.
The respect that he gives, you know, they have to give him, no?
Exactly. And back to live action here. This is the beginning of the third quarter. Again, we're happy to have you with us, Philippines, Sabayan and Superstars. This is our first game. Mamaya po sa ating main game, laban ng Red Bull at saka ng Alaska Milk. Alaska on a hot streak already with 3 straight wins. Ang Red Bull naman is at the bottom of the team standings, hoping to get out of that one and still get a crack going into the quarterfinal round. But this is here first. Abante ang Shell ng dalawa as we begin the third quarter. Encarnacion, sasaksak sa loob, kicks it out. Marsan with 4 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 3. He has to take it with a left hand. Wala.
Medyo late na talaga eh. So he had to, it's a bad shot or he had to take it. Wala ka na magagawa ron.
Late na nag-develop yung play nila. Wilmer Ong starting the third quarter. Give and go play. He goes inside. Alahoy na tira. Limpot with an offensive rebound. Supply. Yun yung mga Gino Jolens niya na dapat mas
Pwede pang i-dunk yun kung gusto niya.
may konting puwersa dapat. Paras. And there's a foul here. Called by referee Ernie De Leon against Wilmer Ong. That'll be the third foul on Ong.
That's his third. Second team foul on Barangay Ginebra. Shot clock brings in to 4-2.
Again, ang Barangay Ginebra, mga kaibigan, on a 2-game losing roll here. Samantalang ang Formula Shell just got out of their slumber. They won against Pactuala a couple of nights ago in their last game. And Bricks Encarnacion off a good ball rotation.
Correct. Ball
Nalibre na naman.
Nalibre na naman. Coming again from Benji Paras.
Oh. Yun ang respeto talaga ni Benji para sa nakukuha. Wilmer Ong, wala. Jackson.
Point guard.
Jackson pa rin. Kita mo naman yan.
He actually played point in college in the States, alam
Yes.
mo, Noli. So it's hindi naman bago sa kanya ito, no? But he started his career as a point guard because he's only about 6'1", 6'2". Alam mo sa Amerika, hindi malaki yan, no? Dito lang sa atin that he plays big, no? So he's comfortable bringing the ball down.
Originally from Riverside, California, si Chris Jackson. And there's a whistle here. June Marsan will pick up his 4th foul now.
Yan ang malaking bagay. Kailangan pahinga na siguro muna si June and try to keep him for the crucial part of the game, no? Unless matambakan na sila na kailangan ibalik siya, i-gamble. No?
Leading scorer si June Marsan for both teams, 14 puntos po. Samantala si Investing Cadice has checked into the ball game. There's another whistle here against Bricks Encarnacion. Pinag-usapan natin si Ives Dignadice. Well, Dignadice is 7 rebounds shy of making it as the 18th player ng 2000 Defensive Rebounds Plateau. His first ever PBA Career Achievement Award kung makukuha niya. And obviously this year
He should make it in the All-Filipino.
Oh yes, 7 rebounds. That's a big achievement. Samantala, Hilago sa labas, in and out, and Encarnacion gets the offensive rebound.
So inalis na si Marsan, si Rodriguez ngayon ang nagpo-point.
Nagpo-point guard. 6-point lead para sa Shell Velocity. They have played methodical basketball against Barangay Ginebra, playing without a legitimate point guard. As you know, wala si Jerry Esplana at saka si Romel Santos.
So ang gagawin nila ngayon, since Rodriguez ang point guard, they will take advantage of the height of Rodriguez over Baldavid.
Over Baldavid.
And reverse naman sa Barangay, bibilisan naman ng Barangay ngayon ang laro. So to take advantage of the speed, no?
6 seconds sa shot clock ng Shell. Alam ni Parasian. He's up against Dignadiza. Turn around by Benji Malakas. Offensive rebound. Let's see if that will count. It will be ruled a 24-second violation here. Well, ang kiniklaim ni Perry Ronquillo, tumama sa kanto ng ring. So that should have reset the shot clock. Ang sinasabi ni Alan Kaydik, hindi, walang tinamaan.
So the referee and the judge there is really the 24-second clock, no?
Oh, yung ating table officials.
Table officials.
And they have ruled that it is a 24-second shot clock violation that will nullify the basket of Chris Jackson. 6-point lead. Abante po ang Shell Velocity. Trying to get their second straight win. Their third overall dito sa Alaksan PBA All-Filipino Cup. Give and go play. Dignadiza. That's what they were doing with Will Merong. Pero si Will Merong could not
Hindi
finish.
nakapag-deliver.
Oh. Pero si Dignadiza, he is a veteran of this league. Buboy Rodriguez.
Pinahihirapan.
Ayan na, nagawa na ni Baldavid. Baldavid. Hinamon. Piniling kay Elmer Lago and Barangay Ginebra is back in this game.
Ito yung speed na sinasabi natin, no?
At narito na yung problema ng Shell sa pagbaba ng bola.
Correct.
Para sa labas. Yes! Set shot for Benji Paras. He has 6 in the game. Benji Paras, who shot 40% back in the first half. 2 out of 5. Dignadiza. No foul. And Rodriguez is bumped by Elmer Lago. At si Lago tatanggap ng kanyang ikalawang personal foul.
Ang nangyari naman dito, Shell has come out with a new defense, no? Dino-double kagad nila si Meneses, no?
Aha.
So that's creating opportunities for Barangay, no?
Eh si Meneses mahirap i-double yan dahil mahilig pumasa yan.
Saka magaling pumasa.
Oo.
Hindi lang mahilig, magaling siyang pumasa talaga.
Winasiwas si Baldavid, talsik siya. Jackson nasa loob. Ang tapik na punta kay Encarnacion. He's in the middle. Short on that shot. Partially deflected by Vergel Meneses. Narito ngayon si Meneses. Laban kay Encarnacion. Pasa sa loob. Limpot. Ang ganda.
Gandang pasa na naman.
You know, that's the danger when you have a Meneses who slashes in. He can just break up the defense anytime.
Tsaka magaling siya talagang pumasa, Noli. Alam mo, I coached him when he was first starting in Great Taste.
Oo.
And one of my conversations with him, I was trying to convince him to play point. Ako, galing mong pumasa, no? But he just lacks the speed, no? That's the problem.
Well, si Meneses led the league in assists once upon a time. And he's not even a point guard. Illegal defense ko laban sa Barangay Ginebra. Watch the versatility and the passing ability of the aerial Voyager. He may not be scoring, but he can certainly make his friends look good.
Tsaka yung mga pasa niya, no-look karamihan nun. Nakikita niya sa peripheral vision niya, no? Which a point guard actually needs, no? What we call the peripheral vision.
Oras po natin, 7:39. Third quarter. Just a 2-point lead para sa Shell Velocity. Jackson faking. Takes the shot with 2 seconds on the shot clock. Sablay, Limpot gets the rebound. Barangay Ginebra has not lost 3 straight in a while. And they're not about to just give it up here in this game. Dignadiza, nasa loob. Nilaglag kay Limpot. Goes inside and there's a foul laban kay Chris Jackson. Si Dignadiza at si Limpot nagkakasayahan dito. Parang sinasabi ni Dignadiza, ilapit mo pa ng konti pag sumaksak ako dahil sigurado mapapasahan kita.
And this is what Ginebra needs. They need ball movement, no? To take away yung hindi klarong-klarong parati kay Meneses o parati kay Limpot. Hindi mo malaman ngayon kung sino titira sa kanila.
Oh. Jun Limpot ang nasa free throw line, mga kaibigan. Played, of course, for the De La Salle University Green Archers and was a top pick and Rookie of the Year back in 1993. scoring champion back in 1994 and a proud son of Surigao del Sur.
Medyo inalis si Baldavid dito. He's limping a little bit.
Iniupo muna si Baldavid. JJ Helterbrand is in the ball game now. At ang ating score, tabla po, 41 all. Pang-apat nating tabla yan in the game. We've had 9 lead changes. That's how close it has been here at the Big Dome. Oh, outside shot mula kay Jay Mendoza.
Jay Mendoza is the name. Talagang license to shoot siya.
Kanina nakakuha siya ng isang alawi na tira. Ngayon sa kanto, everybody got surprised with that shot.
But this is the confidence that Perry gives to his players.
Walang sisihan. Naipit si
Gandang pasa.
ang pasa pa rin. Libre si Lago sa 3. Wala. Paras controls the rebound. Not too many fast breaks in this game. Lusot si Telan. Kinaliwa. Oh, what a move!
What a move.
Excellent move from the young man, Mark Telan. Kaliwa pa yun. And the lead goes back up to 4 here. Ang Shell hindi kumukurap dito, Tommy.
Na-momentum na yung Barangay Ginebra, but they got back the momentum.
Limpot, hinahamon ni Jackson. Once upon a time, they played together in the Santa Lucia camp. Meneses with 2 seconds on the shot clock. Pinalipag yung bola.
No choice na siya ron.
Oo. Again, matagal mag-develop yung play with JJ Helterbrand at the point guard spot. Here's Mendoza up against a smaller man na si Elmer Lago. Mendoza using his buff. Wala. Gets his own miss. He's inside. Goes up again. And Jay Mendoza with 4 points here in the third quarter.
Showing Perry that thank you for your trust.
Oo.
Going to deliver.
At meron pa siyang maghataw sa dibdib.
Correct.
Malatarsan. And the lead is back up to 6. This is the biggest lead of the ball game. Believe it or not. Another great pass.
Pasa na naman.
What a pass. And Meneses has been content at playing decoy here in the third. At si Limpot ang kumakalas dito. Si Limpot ngayon may kabuuan ng 10 puntos. First Barangay Ginebra player to be in double digits. Mendoza, or rather Rodriguez libre. Rebound by Helterbrand. Four-point lead para sa Shell Velocity. They go back to the aerial Voyager. Now makes his move. He goes inside and
Siya naman.
Woo!
Siya naman, sabi.
And that head and shoulder fake can just get anybody out of the way.
Mas malaki kasi yung tao niya rin si Mendoza. No? So, lulusutan niya. Correct. Mas mabilis siya.
Dalawa na lamang ang kamante ng Shell. Narito si Telan. Sinalutong ng depensa. Malakas ang tira. Rebound. Nagagawa ng dalawa. At magkakaroon ng jump ball between Dignadice and
Jackson.
Chris Jackson. And the game is picked up here with the aerial Voyager doing it all. And welcome back mga kaibigan sa Big Dome para sa aksyon sa Bayan ng Superstars. Noli Iyala po kasama si Tommy Manoto. Kamusta kayo dyan sa ating mga kababayan sa Cagayan de Oro kung saan kahapon naglaban ang San Miguel at Pure Foods kung saan nagwagi ang Beermen to continue their parang habulan nila ng tanway sa tuktok ng ating team standings. San Miguel with their 8th win against 1 loss, their 7th consecutive win.
Correct. Pero medyo mawawalan sila ng player yata, no? May nangyari doon, no?
Well, malalaman natin ang kumpletong report dyan dun sa aksyon na nangyari sa Cagayan de Oro with Danny Siegel and Richard G. Samantala, itong aksyon dito, hindi rin pwedeng tawaran.
It's picking up ang action dito.
It has indeed picked up. At ngayon, meron tayong report dun sa injury yata ni Bal David. Janelle, ano ba nangyari kay Bal?
Yes, Nolly, due to a fall kanina sa start ng third quarter, nabugbog yung left cheek ng buttocks nitong si Bal David. Ngayon nilalagyan siya ng ice para medyo may masmasan na yung pananakit. And pwede naman siyang bumalik anytime daw na hugutin siya ni Coach Alan Kaidig. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Janelle. So, report natin tungkol kay Bal David. So, that's good news para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Bali wala yun. Wala namang buto ron.
Wala naman,
Makikiliti lang siya ng konti.
Ay, sus! Sino ba yan? Si Samboy Lim ba yun? Nabuhay.
Mukhang yung feature natin, napanood nito.
Jay Mendoza with some acrobatic moves here. He is in double figures now with 10 points together with 7 boards. What a game para kay Jay Mendoza. At kung sino-sino mga bayanin lumalabas dito.
Correct.
Tommy, para kay Perry Ronquillo, ha?
Well, as we said, Noli, he's given them the chance, no? And this is
That's
their chance. Dahil wala na siya talaga ibang player, no? Pagbibigyan niya lang yung mga ibang bench niya. And if you deliver, you'll get more playing time, no?
And playing time, this guy is head. Pero itong ating CMG swipe of the game, nakuha ni Val David. And you've just seen the CMG swipe of the game brought to you by CMG of Australia. Reinventing healthcare with the CMG swipe card. Swabbing. Ang galaw ng The Flash. Well, The Flash is on the bench right now, actually on the floor, getting his buttocks healed.
Akala ko kanina yung likod niya, hindi naman
Oo.
pala. Batak lang naman pala.
Babatakin lang yun.
Babatak.
Oo. Samantala si Limpot nakuha yung technical free throw. At yung abante po ng Shell, an odd 3 points at the moment. 3:09 remaining sa third quarter of what has been an action-packed game between two teams looking for a win. JJ Helterbrand, nilabas kay Lago for 3. Wala pa rin. Lago has struggled from that
Correct.
area, Tommy. That is usually a shot.
Tsaka strict shooter lang yan, pero wala pang strict, no?
Wala pa.
I think Ginebra has to hope that he will hit it sometime now.
And a shooter always tries and tries until he can get it.
Tsaka
Si Lago.
may kumpiyansa naman siya. He has the ability and they know it, no? So they're gonna give him the shot.
Right now, ang ating Nesty face of the day, ang nasa screen ninyo, siya po ay si Tina Vibar. She is a Shell fan and 22 years old. Our Nesty face of the day. And we'll take a short break right now. We'll be back with the action dito po sa Bayan ng Superstars.
Dunkin' Donuts, pasalubong ng bayan.
Well, you just missed another Jay Mendoza jumper from the keyhole and he already has 12 points para bigyan ng formulasyon lang 5 puntos na kalamangan at the moment. Ito na naman si Mendoza. Off the glass, malakas. Offensive rebound ni Jackson.
What he does the best. Tsaka siya nag-point guard noon sa fast break, siya na nag-rebound.
Cleaning up the boards and don't look now, this is the biggest lead of the game. 7 points para sa Shell Velocity.
Tsaka bumalik rin si Val David.
Bumalik na nga.
They need him. They lost the momentum nung nawala siya.
Reach and foul. Laban kay Chris Jackson on that particular play. As you take a look at the commissioner, Jun Bernardino. Well, si Commissioner Jun Bernardino is busy preparing for our 25th year anniversary celebration na magaganap po sa Abril 9.
Next Sunday, no?
Next Sunday, and we have so many stars. Talk about commissioners. Well, Commissioner Leo Prieto, our founding commissioner, one of the men who are in charge of picking the 25 greatest PBA players na ating maririnig at malalaman sa April 9. So abangan nyo po yan. You're all invited dito po sa selebrasyon ng Bayan ng Superstars. Maya-maya sasabihin natin kung sino mga magiging bisita natin, Tommy. That is going to be a super hoopla dito yung celebration natin sa April 9.
Tsaka libre yun, ha?
Libre yun.
Walang bayad.
Ay, walang bayad. Dala na kayo ng baon, dala na kayo ng camera dahil ang dami kong bituin na makikita nyo hindi lamang sa entertainment world kundi sa basketball yung mga paborito nyong players. Of course, ang special assistant sa Commissioner's Office, si Ricky Palu, also on hand today. Very busy yung mamang yan. Alam mo, malaking tulong sa paglagana puli ng PBA all over the Philippines. Right now, si Jun Limpot cashing in on their free throws already with 12 points, make that 13 para matapyas ang abante ng Shell Velocity sa 5, 53-48, a minute and a half remaining sa third quarter. Buboy Rodriguez has done a good job. As I just said that, nawala ang bola. Narito si Val David. At may foul si Rodriguez.
He did a good job while Val David was away, no?
Was away. When the cat was away, the mouse will play. Pero ngayon, bumalik na ang pusa. Nadali ang daga at si Val David will go to the line as a penalty na po ang Shell Velocity. And that'll send the Flash for 2 free throws.
The other option of Perry here is to have Jackson bring down the ball, no? Which
Yes.
he has not used yet, no?
Here's Val David.
In other words, you bring Val David to where not the ball is.
Yes.
You have Rodriguez post him up, so he's guarding there. He will not be able to pressure the ball.
Kaibigan natin si Lito Ansures, also part of the Commissioner's Office. So, full force ngayon ang Commissioner's Office. We have two power pack games.
Ito na yung sinasabi ko.
Yan ang sinasabi mo, Tommy.
Jackson na magdadala ng bola.
Sabi mo nga, once upon a time in his playing career, he played point guard. Pasa, muntik na mawala. Para sa tuktok ng keyhole. In and out. Rebound. Tapik ni Limpot. Sabi ni Mendoza, salamat sa iyo. 14 puntos na si Jay Mendoza.
Sineswerte ka
Ay,
talaga
nako.
kuminsan
Pag binipuenas ka,
nandun siya
Umanap ka na.
Na-credit sa kanya.
oo. Umanap ka na ng ticket ng sweepstake. Pumakas na kayo. Narito ngayon si Val David. Pasa sa loob. Puntik na mapitawan ni Tigdatise. Nilapas si David. Libre si David. Yes. That's a non-traditional give and go play.
Correct. Handoff na patalikod.
Lead is down to 4 once again. Here's Rodriguez forcing the issue and he will travel. Good defense on the part of the
Good,
Flash.
very good defense.
Wala naman itong foul, no?
Si Rodriguez nag-initiate ng contact. Nakataas lang ang kamay ni Val. Hindi naman siya humahampas sa bola.
Ayan, no? Nakatayo lang siya.
Correct.
Wala siya mapasahan. So a couple of turnovers now being forced by David on Rodriguez. Ang ating puntalaan, 55-51. Abante ng 4 na puntos. Sa kasalukuyan, ang Shell. Pero may illegal defense na naman dito.
Mendoza.
And that will send Barangay Ginebra to the free throw line. Jay Mendoza, the guilty party, yes. And the main man will go to the free throw line. Pinag-uusapan natin, we'll take this opportunity to invite you again. 25th PBA anniversary. Kasama natin, makakasama natin dyan sa April 9. Gary Valenciano, Pops Fernandez, si Jaya, Lani Misalucha, si Jerry Esplana, mandun siguro na mamaya.
Malamang.
Mel Santos, pinag-uusapan natin yung mga may injury dito. And a lot more superstars from the entertainment field, and we'll mention them as we go on through this coverage. Time down to 10 seconds here in the third. Watch the clock. Here's Val David, takes the shot, short. May oras pa, a second to go. Rodriguez pulls the trigger, almost, but not quite. But still, it's a close ball game. Walang kumakalas. Shell threatened, pero ang Barangay Ginebra held on. They're hanging tough here, and it's just a 3-point ball game after 3 quarters of play.